Hey Freedom Gorillas, we have the Beretta 80X Cheetah here. We have the slide. We're going to show you how to mount the Holosun 407K, 507K, EPS Carry, and EPS full size onto the 80X Cheetah using Freedom Gorilla's plate. And as a side note, one cool feature about this plate is all three of those optics, the K series and the EPS, will work with just one plate. So first things first, make sure you have your 80X Cheetah plate from freedomgorilla.com as well as an optic of your choice, and we'll get started here. So first thing we're going to do here is remove the current plate from the slide. You don't necessarily have to take the slide off. We're just doing this to make it easier to show on the video. And an important side note, the screws that we do take off of this plate, make sure to put them aside because we'll be using them later. Okay, with that off the slide, we'll now take everything out of the pack here. And just a quick side note, whenever you're installing any of these screws, if they don't already have thread locker on them, make sure to add a little dab of the blue thread locker like Vibrotite or Loctite. We're going to take the plate that comes with it, align it just like that. And then those two screws that we put aside, we're going to put them back. And we're going to use the same tool to tighten down. All right, and now the plate is attached to the slide. One note here is just make sure that these screws are snug. There's no need to Gorilla tighten them so that these screws don't strip. Okay, so now it doesn't matter what optic we are mounting, whether it be the 407K, 507K, EPS Carry, or EPS, the screws that come in the bag will be what we're using. 4 screws are provided. Again, you only need 2. The other 2 are spares in case you lose it. So I'm going to start with the 407K here, and then you'll be able to see the co-witnessing and installation. So these little holes right here, we're going to line up with the lugs at the top there. And then we will put the 2 screws in the back here and then tighten. Okay, so if you install the 407K or 507K, this is what it will look like on your slide. The 407K and 507K are identical. The only difference is the reticle. The 407K having a 6 MOA dot, the 507K having MRS system. So this is realistically what you could expect it to look like. Trying to get it all different angles here, just so you can see every angle possible. And for all of these options, you will not be able to co-witness with your front iron sight unless you get some type of iron sight that is higher. And really that's it, you're done. But for this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the EPS and EPS Carry would look like as well. So here we have the EPS Carry, and again, it's the same process, the holes, the lug, line it up, put the screws in, tighten, and we'll be able to see what it looks like here in a second. And here's the EPS Carry installed. Again, you won't be able to co-witness with any of these, but here's as many angles as possible, so you'll be able to see which one you do like better. And while I'm switching this out to the full-sized EPS, if you do end up stripping these screws or just lose the screws that come with the slide of your Beretta, just hit us up. We'll be able to help you find replacement screws. And here we have the full-sized EPS, and for those who don't know, it is just a bigger version of the EPS Carry. And here is the full-sized EPS. It does overhang on the slide just a little bit. So if you didn't want that, the 407K, 507K, or EPS Carry will be the best bet there. But this definitely still works. If you're looking for the maximum window size, the EPS will probably be your choice. And there you have it. Doesn't matter what optic you're installing, everything is included in the kit. You can get your red dot and plate at freedomgorilla.com. Thanks for watching.